Yes, sir. It's an infinity kind of day, skyline kind of day. This rear end, this booty, gonna be getting a butt lift. Both of my cars getting butt lifts in the same day. All right, y'all, I know a lot of y'all are gonna be asking me questions like, why am I putting money or even worth putting effort into fixing this car, into this piece of shit? Because it looks horrible. It's just nasty. The car is not worth a lot. It's just not worth it to do anything to this type of car. And for the average person, yes, that is completely true. But for me, this car is priceless. This was my first car. If y'all don't know, this was the car I took my driver's test in. This is the car I learned how to drive in. And this was the car that was given to me by my grandma. And it was actually the car that made me like GTRs. If you don't believe it, when I was about 4 years old, when my grandma bought this car, for some reason, whenever, I fell in love with the circle taillights, and then that introduced me into the GTRs, and that's what I fell in love with. So that's why this car has so much sentimental value to me, and that is the only reason why we were going to do a full restoration, a full build on this car, and it starts today. There's so much work that we need to do with this, like wheels, coilovers, obviously paint with this two-tone faded. Like, the paint is just so bad. The headlights, I put these on aftermarket maybe a couple years ago. They're not that bad. Headlights are uneven. Like, this one is brighter than that one's yellow, this one's like bright. So there's a lot of shit that we got to do, and this front bumper obviously has to go. It's like look at this trash ass job. I literally put a screw right in here because the fitment for this lip was so trash. That's, you know what I'm saying? So that's how like rigged this car is put together. But that all changes today for step 1, and we are doing the carbon fiber trunk because my boy Prismatic Mike is getting rid of his G, and he's giving me a really good deal on the trunk. Otherwise we would have started somewhere else, like wheels and coilovers, which is probably what we're gonna do next. You know, redo the tint, just the little things just to clean it up, and then we'll start going big. And probably the idea and the goal for this in the end is to end up 2J swapping it with a maybe 6-speed with a CDO9. That's the goal, that's the plans. And yeah, let's go put that trunk on. And Shell just tried to scam me, so if they don't send me my money back, me and Shell is gonna have a fucking problem. I'm driving by the worst sounding G in the world. Oh my God, it's horrible. Oh my God, shut up, bro. No way, I'm finna get behind this dude. No way, bro, that thing sounds ass. No way. Keep it quiet, but it's just not gonna work. All right, y'all, we made it to the homie's house, and I watched a couple videos on how to take the trunk off, and the only thing that people were saying was a bitch was these little star screws right here. And I mean, mine look like they're pretty still intact. It's not rusted or nothing, so they should come out with a little bit of elbow grease. And we obviously have to take off this little cover right here. And other than that, it shouldn't be too straightforward. This little wires part that comes straight out, we just gotta line up this, what is that, little hatch thing? And other than that, it shouldn't be too challenging. Are you losing it? Oh God, he tightened it. So we reversed the car because we needed a light, and we completely put the light on this one.
Yes, it's straight.
Completely stripped down. That one's done for, but we found a way to get it out. So freaking geniuses over here. I would have never thought about doing that. So we're gonna try, and we're just gonna, if we can get all 3 of these bolts out, I'm not gonna complain about only running 3 bolts. I'll find a 4th one at another day. This will be good enough to drive on. This shit don't even go over 60. Yeah, this one, I don't know.
Hit that bitch. But push like a little.
Yeah, I'm pushing that lucky. Oh, no, I can't. Nah, this is
nah, that's just done for. All right, now how are we gonna get this off if we get the other 3 off?
We could drill it in.
Okay.
Yeah, he has on right there, the drill bits.
Oh, we're good then.
Yeah.
So now, y'all, we're trying to pop off this so we can get to the bottom bolt. And this one worked out pretty good. This side is not giving us no problems. This side is being a Sick ass food.
That's right, look.
Put hella pressure on it. Your whole body weight. Well, how you lose the one you just used?
No, it's because they're different.
For real?
That one's smaller.
Oh, fuck. Why does it already look fucked up? Press that shit in there. Yeah! Oh, shit. Wait, why didn't we think that was gonna happen?
Yeah, fuck.
Luckily, this not the Supra. That shit cracks the window. Hey, that shit been funny as fuck.
Hold that shit.
Yeah, like super sturdy, bro, because we need all the strength. Bro, that like butter, bro. Make sure we not losing these bolts.
Nah, man, I probably put them in there.
We're gonna have to break that bolt. And again, we're just gonna run 3 bolts. It's not gonna die. We're not gonna die if we only have 3 bolts on. Then it's like hitting me right now. I'm holding the camera, so I can't do any work.
How should we do? Just drill it out?
Yeah, just don't go too far so you don't go through the bumper. So, I mean, the bumper, the trunk. How long is the bolt? There you go. Hell yeah.
I got the trunk.
All right.
No.
Hold the bolt.
The bottom one. It's been on, you dumbass. I'm saying, hold it.
Yeah.
Oh, wait,
The only thing holding it is this freaking. Why this trunk so fucking heavy?
Oh, God. Yeah,
I'm finna have all the weight savings. I'm finna be fast. All right, now thankfully we got all this stuff off and it worked pretty freaking good, if I do say so myself. All thanks to the guys out here. I honestly didn't do shit. So we got to take all these tabs off and be able to take this little wiring stuff, line up this, because we have to take this bracket off and be able to line it up on the new bumper. This has to come off too, and I think that's pretty much it. All right, let's take it off. That doesn't sound good. Are we doing this wrong? It feels like it's still on there.
Let's see this. I think we lift it up.
Yeah. That shit sounds so good. Hey, B58 is amazing. Oh, that shit's fast. Hey, that shit sounds sick, bro. Finally, the fucking guy pulled up. Your lights are off. Yes, sir. So my boy finally put up with that thing. Here it is. You can't really tell on the GoPro. Let me give y'all a little flash action. But yeah, this is the car we taking the trunk off of. So this is what it in theory should look like, depending on how bad we fuck up. But in theory, this is what the car should look like when we leave. So my boy is gonna be putting these wheels on this car, and that shit's gonna look fucking sick. Hey Mike, just put my stocks on, bro, and I'll put these on mine. All right, we got one piece of wood. That's pretty good, yeah. That worked.
No, it doesn't.
No, that shit. We need a little more. All right, it's been some time since I last picked up the camera. They're still trying to figure out how to take the wheels off. Them things might be stripped and fucked, but the most important thing is if the trunk is good, because I'm not getting the wheels. They can figure out the wheels. I'm getting the trunk. But we got this wiring harness loose. We should just be able to pull it. So pick it up a little bit, and we should just be able to, yeah. Yep, I did this in like 2 seconds. And this shit should come out like an umbilical cord. Yeah, line it up so we don't yank one of these. You'll guide it? Ugh, what is that?
Boy, this is not something good.
That's just not turning, fool.
Hey, watch out my 3 pieces, please, bro.
Alright, y'all, we got the freaking thing, the chop, because this wire is being, it's like, it's, bro, no, we need that. I need that. It's for the tail light, for the reverse lights.
Fucking loco.
Oh, shit.
Oh, man.
What the fuck?
Dude, that shit is
I need goggles.
Hey, bitch, that shit fucking stuck.
Oh. Yeah, the bomb really getting liposuction today. Is it making progress or what?
It is.
Yeah.
Now I'm gonna cut it this way.
But can you see where it's stuck at? Oh, we're really hacking this thing together. But still can't find it? Bro, what is that? What could it be stuck on?
Find out.
It's in the fucking wing?
We're doing so. We had to take the.
We had to take the wing off? No way we had to take the wing off. Bro, are we that dumb?
Oh, okay, it's connected to the other.
Oh, it has a brake light.
On top.
No way, we did all that and there's a brake light.
Hey, it don't matter if I break this shit off, right?
The wing, I already ripped the wing off. I mean, you could unbolt it. You don't gotta go out like that. No, I'm just kidding. Alright, we're finally getting the carbon trunk off, bro. It's like 9 a.m. Carbon trunk's light. Oh, yeah. Where them bolts at? Let me see them bolts. Yes, secured. Just a bag, yeah.
Oh, no.
I never seen somebody excited to lose a carbon trunk. All right, moment of truth, y'all. We finally, bro. It's like been a week already since we've been sitting here for days.
What time it is?
But yeah, what time is it? Give me a time check.
2.
It's 2 in the morning. I got here at like what, 11, 10?
10, like 10.
I got here at 10 p.m. and we're just now getting the trunk on. But moment of the truth, we had to kind of like, we're gonna pretty this up. Don't even worry about it. So we're gonna see if it even closed. Let me make sure I got my keys before I close it and can't open it. Should I close it all the way? Is it even gonna line up?
Hopefully.
Close it?
Close it.
That shit didn't close. Oh yeah, it did. All right, now I'm gonna open it.
No, yeah.
All right, I'm pressing the button.
That's right.
Yeah,
That's right.
that's him. All right, let me start it and make sure the lights work.
Oh yeah. Hell yeah.
We're in business, boys. All right, Mikey can finish the rest himself.
She let her run away from me. Souls on the bottom of the beach, she screamed. I'm so good with play.
All right, y'all, as y'all can tell, it's been a couple days since that last clip and I edited the video and it was supposed to go up today, but I thought I couldn't end it on that. Y'all couldn't really even see the trunk that well because it was dark and everything, but I wanted to show y'all just the fitment and how everything is fitting. This side is pretty dang flush. This side has, you know, just a little bit of a bigger gap right here, but you know, for a carbon trunk for this kind of car, it fits pretty good. It fit well. Everything lined up perfectly. There's been no issues. It hasn't flown off or nothing. So I'm super satisfied. This thing looks sick and way more aggressive in the daylight. But it's like I have one good part and the rest of the car is shit. So we gotta work on that. But this car is gonna be a work in progress. But I just wanted to update y'all, get y'all a little B-roll of what this thing looks like in the sunlight. So if you guys haven't already, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Always remember to keep it player.
I got a stay, bro, got a blip, we catching hella poles. I love some melon in the dark, bitch, on a yellow pole. It get nasty when I'm fucking, you can tell, cause she get sweaty. He say he getting money, I'm like, hey, who you telling, bro?
Dogs catch me running to a bag, I'm in the corner like a Reza. Stella got me teed up.